waste is green tech. Green tech, a tech company, has brilliantly harnessed the power of AI to reduce the electronic waste generated by their products. This innovative firm has taken a leap forward in the tech industry by using artificial intelligence to design products that are not only more durable, but also easier to recycle. They've turned the tide by creating technology that lasts longer, reducing the need for frequent replacements and thereby cutting down on electronic waste. But that's not all. They've also revolutionized the recycling process. By leveraging the power of AI, green tech has made its recycling processes more efficient, resulting in less waste and a more productive use of resources. Imagine a world where every tech gadget you buy is designed to last and can be efficiently recycled once it reaches the end of its life. That's the world green tech is striving to create. Green tech's success story is a testament to how AI can bring us closer to a greener tech world. So what does the future hold for green tech and AI? As we look ahead, we see a world where artificial intelligence is not just a tool, but a key player in minimizing electronic waste. Imagine AI systems that can predict the lifespan of our gadgets, alerting us to potential failures before they occur. This could extend the life of devices, reducing waste and saving resources. Moreover, the potential for AI in the design process is also immense. AI can help create more efficient, less wasteful products by optimizing design for minimal material use and maximum durability. But this future is not guaranteed. It requires continued research, innovation, and most importantly, a commitment to sustainability from all of us. We need to support and push for green tech initiatives, recognizing the role they play in creating a more sustainable future. The potential of AI to make tech greener is enormous, and we are only just beginning to tap into it. The future of green tech is not just a possibility, but a necessity.